Guys, these two are fighting over who gets to eat. And my baby girl has eaten pretty much all day. Hey, be nice.
What?
She pecked him.
Freak, your girl's mean.
Skittles, be nice. Oh, they're sharing now.
Okay, good.
Hey, stop squeaking. Why are you squeaking? She's like, what? They just...
I got to move out of my way.
Oh, she didn't... She pushed him up.
Loser.
Poor boy. Poor boy. Here, do you want me to get her off so you can have some food? Oh, now she wants to go with him. Oh, now she... Oh, that was smart of you, boy.
What?
He went up the pole, and she followed. And then he, like, went down immediately when he came. And then he went and he's eating now.
Yay.
Hey, Skittles. Skittles. Skittles.
Don't do
Skittles.
it.
Skittles.
Thank you.
Good girl. Good girl.
Eat, son.
Let him eat. Let him eat, girl. I always think that they're just digging. Not really.
Right.
Girl, you already had a bunch to eat today. You need him to have a turn. Why are you squeaking? Why are you squeaking?
Hey!
Hey! Hey! Skittles! Skittles! Girl! Girl! Have a turn. Dino, go do what you did last time. Just go and be in there.
Get in there.
Get in there. Just stay in there. Just stay.
Good job, boy.
Just stay. They're both trying to get in there. Just go. Just
Stay there.
Just go. Just do it. Enjoy.
He's like all the way in there. He's like, this is mine.
He's in there. All that's left and out is his tail. Like literally, all that's left is his tail.
Good job, son.
Good job, boy. Good job, Dino. Oh. Skittles, you need him to have a turn. You've eaten 7 times today that I've seen. That's probably why you're huge. Come on, girl.
Call me baby fat?
Yeah. I taught her well.
Parents' goals right here.
Parent goals. Baby girl. Skittles. Like, he's like totally squished in there. Skittles!
He can't get out.
Skittles!
Oh, it's okay.
Skittles, come
You're
here.
gonna lose your trust.
I don't care, your boy needs to eat.
He's eating. He's all the way in there.
No, but she doesn't need to eat. You've eaten so much. You've probably eaten more than your body weight in combined, girl. Oh my goodness gracious. Well, this is how we end our night. Watching this feud of feeding our birds. Well, why are you squeaking now? Why are you squeaking?
Eat, son. Thank you. He's very obedient.
My girl is not. I need a trainer. Oh, they both squeaked at the same time. Why are you squeaking? Are you happy? Does that mean you're happy? What does that mean, guys? Does that mean they're happy? They just squeak. Like that. Maybe they're like trying to mimic my hiccups. Bit tried. Pterodactyl.
Yeah.
Are you guys trying to be pterodactyls like me? Dude, he's chowing down. What's going on, girl? Are you happy? You're happy. If you know it, if you're happy and you know it, go chirp chirp. Nope. They're not happy. Okay, well anyway.
That tiny.
This is when we say goodnight. Okay, goodnight, Dino. And goodnight, Skittles. Skittles. Why you squeak? Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy, girl? Are you my happy girl? Okay. Well, anyway.
Hamburger.
You're my hamburger. Anyway, remember who you are and what you stand for, and see you guys later, you know. She. You're squeaking. She's talking.